Hello friends, I hope everyone is doing fine. It's been tough time for communities, for families, for individuals, but let's look at it from a positive point of view. It's more of a self-discovery than isolation. We have all what we need. We have families to love and pray for. We have friends to miss, and we have faith to hold on to. Please stay safe. I hope to see everybody soon. Thank you.
Hello, friends. I miss you tons. I hope you're staying safe and happy with your families. And we're going to read a little story called The Belly Button. This tiny hippopotamus has something small to say. And if you're very quiet now, she'll say it right away. Listen, Bebo. You might not know what Bebo means, or maybe you've forgotten. It's just the tiny hippo way of saying belly button, Bebo. We hippos love our belly bees. They're round and cute and funny. And there's a place we like to take them when summer days are sunny. Come, Bebo. Look at all the hippos with a belly button each. Do you wonder where we are? It's Belly Button Beach, where tons of hippos stand around in bathing suits too little, because they hope you will admire their button on their middle. We don't do much throughout the day, that's how we like it best. We nibble grapes, we watch the waves, we take a little rest. We always love to get balloons, and do you know why? Because we like to think balloons have belly buttons too. Boon! Soon after dark upon the beach we sing our favorite song. And if you're feeling in the mood, we'll hope you sing along. Belly, belly button, oh you're so fine. Belly, belly button, oh I'm so happy you're mine. We sing this song on summer nights or when it's hot outside, but never in cold winter time when belly buttons hide. No, never in cold winter time when belly buttons hide. Bye-bye, Bebo. Bye, friends.
Hi friends, it's Maya. I hope you're all doing well and enjoying your time at home with your families. Just know that we're all staying safe by being at home. I just wanted to remind you all to be the great listeners that I know you all are. And don't forget to wash your hands. And I miss you all so much. And I can't wait to see you back at daycare soon and give you all big hugs. Love you and see you soon.
Hi everyone, I hope you're doing good. Stay safe. I miss you. See you soon. Bye.
Hello everyone, hope you are all doing great. I know we are going through the hard times. We are all in this together and we'll get through that together, and we'll see you once the center will be open. We miss you all. We love you. Do a good job listening to your parents, because your parents are trying their hard to keep you safe at home. Thank you very much to all the parents. You have a great day. Bye.
S, stay safe. C, care for each other. And A, anchor yourself at home. SCA families, we are in this together.